I have a god, and he's in my trouser drawers. He smells odd, like cod mixed in with whores. Nasty whore hooky hose.
I hinky-dinky like I just side-split my pinky. I am stinky and I'm thinking about eating your finger fingy. People always say I have a spread wire heart to fasten it like a burger grater, and it was okay at first, but hurts don't.
Collapse like a four-fingered atavistic attack mingus, like a mouse dingus on a louse. That thing is huge mungus, even if it be teeny.
I ordinarily would love to pull my plenum into a plumb bob, but whom among us would reckon with the tally of grease it leaves for the autumn?
Our leaves go shrike, and our eyes go grim, and our sneeze releases a violent gin, murder and goose.
Beep this task with a billiard crescent, cruddy filament, and pie-eyed vesicle munching.
For beep is a jelly-filled grell-o. For sheikies is a pinky baby-no. Perpy twee bweepy tee boo.
For beep is a jelly-filled grello. For sheikies is a pinky baby-no. Perpeet wee peet boo.
Perpeet wee weepy tee boo.
Murda, murda, shanky shank, murda, chop. I drink slop. No, but seriously, my pants hurt.
I drink slop! No, but seriously, my pants hurt big. Murda, shanky shank, murda, chop. Murda, shanky shank, murda, chop. I drink slop.
I drink slop.
Murda, shanky shank, murda, chop.
I got a hankering for a hanky covered with curdlies and whey, and it's way far out when you eat prison steaks.
Gotta grit out of my bwetty and gwet wetty for workies. I gotta sidestep the sizer of a poor boy's mannequin.
We put pudding on it long ways and leasty ways. We put that grease where it gots to go and where it does the most good. Ooh, slobby goose slurm for sperm.